All my dear students, welcome all of you to my digital platform Sociology Study. Today, my topic is class struggle and revolution. At the height of the class war, a violent revolution breaks out which destroys the structure of capitalist society. This revolution is most likely to occur at the peak of an economic crisis, which is the part of recurring boom and dictation which is characteristic of capitalism. Accordingly, Marx, the class antagonism and subsequently the class conflict in the capitalist system will usher in socialism in place of capitalism through a revolution. Marx cleared that the contradiction between relation of production and forces of production is the basis of antagonism. The bourgeoisie is constantly creating more powerful means of production. But the relation of production, that is, apparently both the relation of ownership and the distribution of income, are not transferred at the same rate. The capitalist mode of production is capable to produce in bulk, but despite this mass production and increase in wealth, majority of population suffer from poverty and misery. On the other hand, there are the few families who have so much wealth that one could not even count or imagine. These stark and wide disparities create some teeny island of prosperity in a vast ocean of poverty and misery. The onus of this disparity lies on the unequal, exploitative relation of production which distributes the produce in an unequal manner. The contradiction, according to Marx, will eventually produce a revolutionary crisis. The proletariat, which constitute and will increasingly constitute the vast majority of population, will become a class that is a social entity aspiring for the seizure of power and transformation of social relation. Marx asserted that the progress of society meant the succession of victories of one class over the other. He assigned his life of planning a victory for the proletariat. In a way, he became a commander engaged in a campaign. Marx conceived of the class conflict on every front and proposed the formation of a political party which would eventually gain victory and be the conquering class. According to Marx, the bottom rung of social stratification is the proletariat. Below it there is no class and therefore emancipation of the proletariat will, in fact, be the emancipation of humankind. Marx accepts the right of bourgeoisie to fight the final war, but for the proletariat, the battle is for its very survival and it has to win. The revolutions of proletariat will differ in kind from all past revolutions. All the revolutions of the past were accomplished by minorities for the benefit of minorities. The revolution of proletariat will be accomplished by the vast majority for the benefit of all. The proletariat revolution will therefore mark the end of classes of the antagonistic character of capitalist society. This would mean that the private ownership of property will be abolished. The proletariat will jointly own means of production and distribute the produce accordingly to needs of members of the society. The stage is called the stage of dictatorship of proletariat. This stage will later on convert into stateless society. The communist system will finally be established in the society. This will also end all kind of social classes and all kind of class conflict for future. This will also mean de-alienation of the proletariat. The bloody revolution terminates capitalist society and leads to the social dictatorship of proletariat. The revolution is violent but does not necessarily involve mass killing of bourgeoisie. Since property is wrested from them, the bourgeoisie will cease to have power and will be transformed into the rank of proletariat. Thus, the inevitable historical process destroys the bourgeoisie and the proletariat establishes a social dictatorship, merely transitional phase. The consolidate the gain of the revolution. The political expression of the social dictatorship was conceived as a form of workers' democracy, which later became a faithful bone contention among Marxists. Thank you for watching this video.